Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we've got another subscription box. This is from Hunt Vault. So if you want, hunt related items delivered to you every single month, this is the place for you. They only have one box to choose from, the Elite. That's what this is. You get this, you are elite. You ready to find out how elite you are? Are you ready? But first, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Ring the notification bell so you get notified so you can come on back and be part of our community here. We'd love to have you. And with that, are you ready? Let's do it. And we are back with Hunt Vault. And as per usual, if you feel so inclined to check out this service, you can find them at huntvault.com. And like I said, they only got one box for you to choose from. It's this Elite box. And, hey, they will knock some money off if you give them a committed term of usually, around 12 months. They will knock some money off. And if you are a veteran, reach out to them because this is a family-owned and veteran-owned company, and they will hook you up with that discount. And also, thank you for everybody that served. And here's your top-down view of what we got from Hunt Vault. Ooh, looks like it looks like some good stuff. Oh man, there's some stuff in here to eat, bro. That's what I'm talking about. All right, I gotta show my channel members. Give them a little sneak peek because they're on another camera over there. And you can say, hey, what do you mean channel members? Down there's a little join button. You can become a member of the community, and you can be here live when I do these and get some more personal behind the scenes, content and all that stuff. All right, so we got a Scan Me for more. Oh, wow, this is April's box. Really? Look here, I would never do y'all that way and be behind in my videos. But this is April's Elite box, and actually I have May's over there, so I apologize. I'm sorry. Don't yell at me. I'm doing the best I can. All right, let's see what we got. We got something look like coffee here, man. This is from what? Hunt Coffee Co. Light roast. Oh man, check that out, bro. This is called Bearded Thunder. Look, I don't drink coffee, but man, I can get behind a coffee called Bearded Thunder. Why is it called Bearded Thunder? And why is that a light roast? That don't sound right, man. Bearded Thunder needs to be like a dark roast, man. Come on now. Oh, wait. Tasting notes. Smooth and chocolatey. Oh, wait a minute. Whoa, wait a minute. I might want to try this, but wait a minute. Are these beans? Dude, I don't know nothing about coffee. So this means I got to buy extra stuff, right? Because I would like to try this, but these are beans. So I got to buy something to like grind them up. Man, I don't know. That's a lot of steps, man. I don't know if I got the patience for all that. But anyway, it's some coffee company, Hunt Coffee Co. Bearded Thunder. I really like the name Bearded Thunder, man. That's cool. That's going to be my nickname, man. Bearded Thunder. Yeah, just please don't start calling me Bearded Thunder now unless you want to. Because you're not supposed to pick your own your nicknames and stuff. Just saying. At least that's what they say. All right, what is this, man? This is some Mountain Ops Yeti Powerful Pre-Workout. Blue Raspberry. Okay. So, what is this? Is this some roids, man? Am I going to roid out if I take this? Okay, 1 scoop. It gives you 100% vitamin C, 310% D, some niacin, some B6, some folate, some B12, some magnesium. Oh, then we got some aminos. Uh-oh. That's gonna get your get your muscle on. Okay. Okay, so I didn't really know Mountain Ops made stuff like this, because this is more, this is more like fitness related, but that's cool. Because Mountain Ops, man, they make some jam on it, like wipes and all that kind of hygiene type related stuff. And also they make the electrolyte, the electrolyte, little powders, that you just pour in a water bottle and mix it up and gives you all your electrolytes and stuff. They make a lot of that stuff too. So that's pretty legit, man. That's cool. All right, next thing here, we got from UCO, we got some Sweet Fire fire starters. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's sweet, bro. Made from renewable biofuel. Burns for 6 minutes each. Okay, so it's 24 of these little tabs, that, as it says, you light them up. They burn really good. They generally, at least, I'm going to assume they burn relatively hot. So, it obviously it aids you in starting a fire. So that's kind of the whole purpose and function of them. Oh, we got something to eat. Is that it? Is that just 2 of them? No, there's 3 of them. I had a feeling there was more than 2. All right, these are Jack Link's turkey mini sticks, made with 100% all natural turkey. Okay, and they expire on July 16th. Okay, so they got some nutrition facts. Boy, that's a honking piece of turkey, bro. All right. This is good that I got stuff like this, and they give you 3 of them, because I have a channel member that is actually here with me that I know. He loves to eat stuff on camera. So yeah, I may have him, because usually I send him stuff like this, and I let him do a video and do a review. And his channel's named Wolfman. So if you just type in like Wolfman MRE, his channel will pop up. It's a guy, making a face in the thumbnail. If you check him out, he does a ton of MRE reviews, all kinds of snack food, and some stuff that I would never eat called a century egg. Just saying, if you're interested, definitely type in Wolfman century egg and watch that video. It is hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. All right. Next thing we got something from Tipton. We got some bore cleaner. Okay, this will remove copper and carbon fouling from your barrel if you do such a thing and foul it up and you need to get the copper out of there. Got some stuff from Tipton. And, this is part of a kit of products. As you can see here, it says step 2. So this is, they've got other products in this particular line. I don't know if they're in here. Maybe, maybe not. And it looks like we are going to say not. So there you go. And that's it. And as always, we have Proverbs 18:10 inside the box. And the cool thing, like I say every single time I do one of these videos, you take the box and you fold her up and you flip it around and you have a target. And you can cut this out is what I do. I just take an X-Acto knife and just trim it out. And then I have something to staple to wood targets at the range. I have a ton of them up here on this very top shelf. And these are awesome. Because you get them anyway, right? You get them anyway in the box. So if you get them anyway, at least you get to use them for something that, is practical. All right, so the last thing we got is going to be, it looks like a backpack or a camping bag, because that's what it looks like. Go further, hunt longer. All right, well, we like that. That sounds good. And boy, this actually looks like a bag I can get behind. For real, if I'm not, because I love the padding, because it does have that, that very, very thick padding, and it has the channel here that goes up, so it allows your back to breathe, so you don't sweat as bad. So I like seeing that. That's awesome. We do have the chest straps that are, make like a U kind of sort of. That's awesome because they fit better. They're more comfortable, especially if you're going to wear something like this over, say 4, 5, 6 hours or more. You're going to appreciate the crap out of that. I promise you. Padding feels good. It does have on the bottom all this breathable mesh. Dude, I like it, bro. I like it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's puff this bad boy out and see how much volume that we get. Oh man, it don't look like it's that voluminous. Like that's not a lot. But let's see what we got here. Okay, so we got a compartment right here at the very top that's very shallow. So this is going to be for items that you really need to quickly get to so that you're not fighting in the pack, which could be glasses, you know, whatever little items that you want to put in there. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so this goes to a mesh compartment up here, okay. All right, then we do have a hanger in here, and wow. Now this is actually kind of cool. So there's two ways to get into, right? No. Oh, this is, wait a minute. Is that just a side? Okay, that's just a side. Okay, never mind. So this is the only way to get into it. Okay, so this is not a traditional bag. You open it from the top. It doesn't zip out or clamshell. It opens from this right here. And this takes you into the whole interior of the bag. So you have one divider on the back. Man, this is going to be hard for me to show you guys because there's no way for me to open it. And then up in here, you've got a little side compartment on both sides. And then you have another mesh compartment right here that goes, you know, about to here. It kind of cuts this in half. And then literally it's just a big cavern. It's just a big cavern. That's about it. Then on the outside we do have this. And see, I was thinking this could expand the interior volume. I mean, that's what I'm thinking, right? Yeah. Because if you unzip those, it allows you to push this out more. Dude, that's what I think it is. Because it may not be, okay? It may not be. But I have seen bags that have been like this, that where when you open, you know, certain zippers, it allows, you know, more room for the interior of the bag. It does that, whether or not that is its function, which it may not be. But either way, this opens up to a pretty sizable side compartment. But if you did zip these both out, it would let you push this middle part out more. So there's that. And then we got all kinds of ways for you to, you know, you could definitely put a sleep system right here in the middle because it does have these two straps. We do have a way to pull the bag closed. We do have kind of a side pocket here that you could put a water bottle in. It's on both sides. And that's about it. And we got some interesting webbing going right here at the top. You know what? This is actually not a bad bag. You know, I am very much a bag critic because I use backpacks a lot in my day-to-day life and also when we go on vacation. So I didn't think I was going to like this, to be honest with you. Just because, you know, you don't have access to the bottom half of the bag without going through the top. So you got to go from the top all the way to the bottom. So, you know, I still don't like that about this bag, but I don't hate it as much as I initially, you know, would have thought that I would not like this bag. Not a fan of the camo pattern. The camo pattern, you know, for me anyway, leaves a little to be desired. But it's fine. You know, it's fine. It's just, you know, I would prefer something else. Okay, all right. Okay, there is a grab handle on the back. I was wondering, I was like, man, there's this handle right here on the front, but there is a handle on the back. So, okay, so that's good. That's good. Okay, sweet. All right, so this is Hunt Vault. We got this bag. We got the Tipton, at least the second stage of their cleaning your barrel. We got 3 turkey mini sticks. We got the fire starter. We got the Mountain Ops Yeti Blue Raspberry pre-workout stuff. And then we got the Bearded Thunder, man. Dude, I love the Bearded Thunder, bro. I just like the name, Bearded Thunder. Like, that sounds, you know, if you were going in WWE, you know, and you was a wrestler, that sounds like that. Bearded Thunder. Oh, and the bag. All this, right? Plus this. There you go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, feel free to sound off in the comment section down below what you think about this box from Hunt Vault. And I will very, very not too distant future put up the next Hunt Vault, because I do have it sitting over there. This box kind of got lost in the shuffle a little bit. So yeah, so that video will be coming out very soon. And with that, thank you for being here. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. If you found this video slightly entertaining, informative, whatever, or just like hanging out with me, I really greatly appreciated our time together. And as per usual, man, may the good Lord bless you. And if you need him, he's always there waiting for you to give you whatever you need, whether it's guidance, strength, you know, whatever, courage, rest, you know, whatever. He's there to put you on that path. And with that, I'm out of here. I love all you, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace. Man, I hope people can't hear that car. Man, my neighbor's over there. Man, he's got one car that I swear it has no mufflers, and it's so loud. And I was like, right here at the end of the video, I'm hearing this car going by. Oh man, the great woes of living in a neighborhood, bro. It's crazy. Brad has the munchies. I'm getting there, man. Yeah, I am starting to have the munchies. I ain't gonna lie. He likes that Fermunda cheese. Man, why would you say that, man? Come on now. That's mean. I thought we was better than that, DJ. Yes, Ed likes to eat stuff. There's your barrel. Yeah, that's true. That is true, man. We did get something technically for a barrel. Look, this is sad. If Hunt Vault would have threw in just a little cheap folding pocket knife, this box from Hunt Vault would have been more of a box for Barrel and Blade than Barrel and Blade sends out in their service. Bro, that's messed up, man. That is messed up. 556, you finally made it. You're traveling. Timothy, yeah, man, you're late, bro. We've been at this for like an hour and a half. But hey, you're here. That's all that matters. All right, I'm going to get out of here. I'm hanging out with my channel members. Like I said, there's a join button down there if you made it this far. What are you doing? What are you doing? Because I can't interact with you. I can interact with them, but I can't interact with you. That's why there's a little join button down there. I do these videos live for my channel members as a way of saying thank you for your support, which I really greatly appreciate. Even if you just watch these videos, especially made this far, I really greatly appreciate you. However this video finds you, I hope it finds you well. Morning, midday, afternoon, late night, whatever. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.